got Cousin Dylan's 2001 Dodge Dakota here today. Also, it's cold as hell down here in Texas. It's like in the 40s. So if you hear that heater, I'm sorry, but I can't work without it. So hopefully you can bear through with it. All right, here we are. We're getting ready to do the rear shocks on this here Ram 1500. I'm going to throw it out right now. I will have a link up here in the video and in the description below for shocks on Amazon. If you want to order those, that really helps us out. Otherwise, you can get them at any local auto parts store. But we're going to go ahead and get right into it. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do this one here on the driver's side. What you're going to have is a 21 millimeter bolt and nut on the bottom side here. On the top, you'll come up on way up here underneath the bed with 21 millimeter there. You'll notice the nut has a tab welded to it to hold it, so you don't need to put a wrench on that. Make sure again that you have the vehicle supported with the suspension in full droop, and then you can literally just unbolt these and take them out. We have done the passenger side already, and the one difference here is to get to the bolt on the top one here, you will want to come in over the top of the frame rail right there. Otherwise, it's as simple as zip, zip, and out she comes. So let's go ahead and get it knocked out. All right, that's off. Wham bam, donezo. Your new shock will come compressed like this. So we will put the bolt through the top. Stick it into the screw. There you go. We will get that started, and then we will cut the band and let it and aim it right into the hole. We're really going to give you aim and fire. Aha. All around it. Hey. All right, there we are. We are tightened up. We will come back and check the torque on it. They are 100 foot-pounds, top and bottom. And then we will stretch this rubber down and put the zip tie that comes with it to hold it, just like that guy there. And that is all there is to it, to changing the rear shocks on this puppy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So if that video helped you out, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more.